Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open an account with Trading212. So the first step is to simply download the free app on your Android or iOS device and then simply open it. Then you're gonna have to tap on open account, then simply choose your country of residence and tap on next. Then you're gonna have to choose invest or CFD. I'm gonna choose invest. And then here you're gonna have to simply enter your email and password and simply click on create account. Now, after you do that, you're gonna have to enter some personal details like your first and last name and your address. And basically, that's all you have to do in order to open an account with Trading212. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.